Hello, today I'm going to be making a granny square out of this book. I found this book at my library and thought I would share some of the patterns in here with you. Today I'm going to be making the cookie square, and I have a black worsted weight yarn, a white worsted weight, and a tan worsted weight, and a 5.5 millimeter. Hers calls for a 4 millimeter and a DK weight, but all I have is worsted, so I'm gonna go with that.
Hi and welcome back to Simply Made by Hand. If you are new to this channel, please consider liking this video, commenting, and subscribing. If you want to see specific content or tutorials, please let me know down in the comments below. Let's get into the video.
We're going to begin with our tan yarn and start with a magic ring and chain 1. Now you're going to add 12 double crochets into this ring. Now you're going to pull your tail tight and slip stitch to your first stitch. Chain 1, and now we're going to start in that very first stitch and put a double crochet and then one more double crochet. So that's 2 double crochets in the first stitch. We're going to go around and do that in every stitch. So you're going to put 2 double crochets in every stitch. And at the end of this round, you should have 24 double crochets. So just go back and make sure you have the accurate amount. Slip stitch to your first stitch. Now you're going to chain 1, and you are going to put 1 double crochet in that very first stitch, and then 1 more double crochet in that very first stitch, and 1 double crochet in the next, and then in the stitch after that 2 double crochets, then 1 double crochet in the next. You're going to repeat this all the way around. 2 double crochets in that first stitch, 1 double crochet in the next. Repeat this all the way around till we get back to the beginning. You can now slip stitch to your first stitch, cut your yarn, and fasten off. Now you are going to continue by making another shape exactly the same as this one. So you're going to do 12 double crochets in the center. You're going to double all those double crochets on the second round, and then you're going to alternate 2 double crochets, 1 double crochet on the third round, and then cut your yarn and fasten off. Let's repeat this one more time. Now that we have both of our pieces finished, I still have the yarn attached to one of my pieces. You're going to match the wrong sides together, and we are just going to single crochet. I'm going to chain 1 on this one. You're going to single crochet the 2 pieces together, so make sure you go through a stitch on either side. See, I have 4 loops on my hook because I picked up both of those stitches from both pieces, and you're going to single crochet them together. Repeat that all the way around. back around, and I'm going to slip stitch to my first single crochet, cut my yarn, and fasten off. Now we're going to take our white and we are just going to join to any single crochet, make a slip stitch, and chain 1. Then we're going to make 2 double crochets in that very first stitch you slip stitched into. Chain 2. Make 2 double crochets in the very next stitch. Make 1/2 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Make 1 single crochet in the next 3. Make 1/2 double crochet over the next 2 stitches. Make 2 double crochets in the next space. Chain 2, and then make 2 double crochets in the next stitch. Make 1/2 double crochet in the next 2. Make 1 single crochet in the next 3. 1/2 double crochet in the next 2. 2 double crochets in the next stitch. Chain 2. And then put 2 double crochets in the stitch after that. Again, 1/2 double crochet in the next 2. 1 single crochet in the next 3. 1/2 double crochet in the next 2. 2 double crochets in the next stitch, chain 2, and 2 double crochets in the stitch after that. 2 half double crochets, one half double crochet in the next 2, 1 single crochet in the next 3, and 1/2 double crochet in the next 2. Slip stitch to your first double crochet. Now you're going to chain 1. You're going to make 1 double crochet in the first 2 stitches, 2 double crochets in the corner space, chain 2, and 2 more double crochets in the corner space. You're going to make 1 double crochet in each stitch till you get to your next corner space. I'm at my corner space, so 2 double crochets, chain 2, and 2 double crochets. We're going to repeat the same thing around. So you're going to double crochet 1 in each stitch to get to your corner, and in your corner you're going to make 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets. Just repeat the same pattern all the way around. Now you are going to slip stitch to your first stitch and chain 1. So we're going to repeat the same thing we did for the previous round for 2 more rounds. You're going to make 1 double crochet in each stitch, and in the corners you're going to make 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. Repeat that for 2 more rounds. And there is my 4 rounds complete. Now we are going to cut off our white yarn and fasten off. Then we're going to go back to our tan color. And you can just make a slip knot and put it on your hook and start anywhere you like and make a standing single crochet. Make 1 single crochet in every stitch across, and then in your corners you're going to make 3 single crochets. So you're just going to repeat that all the way around. And just like that, it's all done. I did weave in all my ends. I cut my yarn and fastened off. I didn't weave this one in yet. I did take a tapestry needle with some black yarn on it and just added some little chocolate chips onto it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions about this pattern, leave them in the comments below. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.